Meaning of Hadith.
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 Hadith. Hadith refers to the recorded traditions and sayings of the Islamic prophet, Muhammad. It is considered a primary source of Islamic law and theology, alongside the Quran. These teachings provide guidance to Muslims on how to lead their lives in accordance with Islamic principles. Hadith has been compiled into collections over time, with the most widely recognized being those of Bukhari and Muslim. The study and interpretation of Hadith is an important aspect of Islamic scholarship and helps shape individual and collective religious practice within the Muslim community.